Today on Happiest Camper, we are going to show you how to add pockets to any dress. You will want the pocket pattern at the ready. So, get that and fold the cotton fabric in half and place the pattern on it, aligning the fold of the fabric with the fold line indicated on the pattern. Then, cut out the pocket shape, leaving the fold line intact. If you choose not to work on a fold, keep in mind that you will need to add a step of sewing that end closed, and you will need to add a hem allowance. Now you'll want to repeat those steps to cut out a second pocket shape. Pin the sides of both pocket shapes, noting the 1/4 inch from the open edge should be left unhemmed. Just set those aside for the time being so we can focus on the dress and get it ready. First step for preparing the dress is to measure from the bottom of the arm opening of the dress down 12 inches. Mark or pin this location as the top of your pocket hole. Measure from the marked top of the pocket hole down 4 inches and mark or pin this location as the bottom of your pocket hole. Repeat the last 2 steps to mark the pocket hole location on the other side of the dress. I found it useful to make sure I had the 2 pockets parallel with a straight edge. Next, gently tear each of the stitches in the area marked for the pocket hole. Take care to be very gentle on the stitches and break them. Do not pull them and cause the dress seam to pull up beyond the pocket area. Open the hem completely so that you can fit the pocket edge between the hem and the dress body. Set the dress aside and we'll finish getting the pockets ready for insertion. Now, we'll hem each side of both pocket shapes, taking care to begin and end your stitch with back stitches. Note that 1/4 inch of the sides closest to the open side of the pocket should be left unhemmed until a later step. Next, just trim the excess corner of fabric at the top of each pocket to reduce bulk when sewing. Working with one pocket at a time, fit the pocket shape inside the dress, aligned with the marked or pinned opening for the pocket. Align the top and bottom edges of the pocket with the marked pocket top and bottom, while also aligning the front of the pocket piece, just one side, not both sides of the pocket, with the front unfolded hem. We're about halfway through this fun sewing tutorial. If you are enjoying it, be sure to hit that like button. Then, just fold over the hem of the dress over the front pocket edge, effectively tucking the pocket fabric between the hem and dress. Pin in place. Sew along the front pocket side, taking care to catch only the one side of the pocket and dress. To make the process easier, I recommend removing any pins that marked your pocket location on the dress, as well as starting your stitching about 1/4 inch from the top of your pocket, as well as taking care to begin and end your stitch with back stitches. We will fix this open portion of the pocket in a later step. Once you've made that one pocket, this is so easy. Next, you'll turn the dress over and fit the back pocket side with the back unfolded hem of the dress and fold over the hem of the dress over the back pocket edge, tucking the pocket fabric between the hem and dress. Pin in place. Now, sew along the back pocket side, taking care to catch only the one side of the pocket and dress. To make the process easier, I recommend starting your stitching about 1/4 inch from the top of your pocket, as well as taking care to begin and end your stitch with back stitches. To finish the pocket, lay the dress flat with the pocket folded inside as desired. Straighten the edges of the pocket, pinning the small open bits at the top and bottom if necessary. And add a small 1/4 inch top stitch to both the top and bottom of the pocket to close the hems, taking care to backstitch. This additional stitch should go through both the front and back of the dress in order to catch all hems, but also to help keep the pocket from opening when you do not care for it to. To complete our dress transformation, just repeat those same steps to affix the second pocket to the dress. When you're done with that, trim all ends and enjoy your new dress pockets. This is just such a fun and useful project, I can't tell you how excited I am to have done it. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest sewing content. We have so many sewing tutorials you can follow along with to sew something new. Thanks for watching.